I am excited to have you here today because we are going to dive into a topic that adds that extra flair to your web projects. And the topic of today's video is how to add icons. So icons are like the spices of web design. They enhance the user experience and make your site more visually appealing and communicate information quickly. In this tutorial, I will walk you through various methods of incorporating icons into your web projects, and I will show you various resources through which you can find icons for your website. Now before we jump into the how, let's talk about why icons are powerful tools. So icons are powerful tools because they can effectively communicate complex ideas within limited space. By using icons, user navigation is greatly enhanced as they serve as visual cues for different actions and functionalities. Moreover, icons add visual interest to the design and contribute to more engaging user experience. They can be used for navigation menus, call to action buttons, social media links, indicating important features or categories, representing different types of content, or providing visual feedback during user interactions. It is important to use icons purposefully and ensures they are easily understandable by your target audience to effectively communicate your message. Additionally, the use of icons helps streamline the overall design by reducing clutter and making information more concise and accessible. Here you can see the numerous websites where you can source icons for your website, and which include Ion icons, Hero icons, Bootstrap icons, Phosphor icons, Font Awesome icon, Line Awesome, Icomoon, Google icon, and Box icons. You can explore these platforms to find the perfect icons for your web projects, and links to these icon websites are in the video's description. Now we can also use SVG icons. Using SVG icons offers several advantages. Firstly, they are scalable without loss of quality, ensuring your icon looks crisp on any screen, from small mobile devices to large desktop monitors. Secondly, SVG icons are lightweight, reducing the page load time and contributing to better performance. Additionally, SVG icons are customizable through CSS, allowing you to change their colors, sizes, and other properties to match your website's design seamlessly. Lastly, SVG icons are accessible and can be easily styled with hover effects or animations, enhancing the user experience. Embracing SVG icons is a smart choice for modern web development, providing flexibility, performance, and aesthetics. When it comes to using icons on your website, there are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind. These guidelines will help you ensure that icons are used effectively and enhance the user experience. So first of all, we will talk about do's. So use recognizable and universally understood icons. Choose icons that are widely recognized and understood by your target audience. This will make it easier for users to navigate your website. Then, keep it simple. Icons should be simple and easy to understand at a glance. Avoid complex or confusing designs that may confuse users. Then we have maintain consistency. Consistency is key when using icons on your site. Stick to a consistent style, size, and color schema throughout the design to create a cohesive look. At last, we have provide tooltips or labels. To avoid any confusion, consider providing tooltips or labels when users hover an icon. This can help provide additional context or information about its function. Now it's time to cover don'ts. So first we have overload with icons. So avoid cluttering your website with too many icons, as this can overwhelm users and make navigation confusing. And then Use of ambitious or unclear icons. Icons should have clear meaning that aligns with their intended function. Avoid using ambitious symbols that may confuse user about their purpose. And after that, sacrifice usability of aesthetics. While visually appealing designs are important, they should not compromise usability. Ensures that the chosen icon fits well within the layout of your website and does not hinder functionality. And the last thing that we don't have to do is to rely solely on icons without text labels. Although icons can enhance visual communication, they should not be relied upon as sole means of conveying information or navigating a website. So by following these do's and don'ts, you can effectively use icons on your website while ensuring a positive user experience. Remember that icons should complement your content and user interface, contributing to a better user experience. I'll now guide you on how to use a few popular icon sets, and these includes ion icons, box icons, and bootstrap icons. So first I am going to show you how we can use ion icons in our website. Go to your Google and search for ion icons like this. And here we have this first link, which is ionicon.io. Just click on it, and here we have the website of ion icon. And now first thing that we need to do in order to use this icon is to install these icons into our website. So the question is how we can install these in our website. So for us web developers, nearly every website include documentation or this usage section that allow us to understand how we can utilize it effectively. So just click on this usage section, and here we can see that how we can install this in our web project. So first of all, we need to copy these two scripts, and then we are going to paste these two scripts right before the closing body tag. And now I want to copy these links, and then I want you to open your code editor and paste these links at the end of this body tag right here. Now after pasting these two script tags, just hit Ctrl+S, and then Prettier will format our code. So that's it. This is how we can install these icons into our website. Now the second step is to search for icon and then use that icon in our website. And now I am going to show you how we can search for these icons. Now I need to go to this icons tab, and then here you can see that we have bunch of icons through which we can search our desired icon. So let's suppose I want to use Facebook icon for my website. Just search for Facebook in this search tab, and you can see our Facebook icon right here. So then click on this icon, and here they are giving us this ion icon element. Just copy this code and paste this code into your website anywhere you want to use this icon. And you can see we have no Facebook icon in our website right here. And this is how simple this is to use icon in your web projects or anywhere you want. And now I am going to show you how we can use icons from this box icons website. First you need to go to this URL, which is boxicons.com. Then you have this page open, and after that, first thing that we need to do is to go to this usage tab on this website. Now here we can see how we can install this into our project. Now same like ion icon, we have this script that we need to put into our web project. First copy this link. Now paste it here before the closing body tag. First I am going to delete this from our website, and now as you can see, after deleting, and our Facebook icon is removed immediately, because those script tags that we inserted into our website are responsible for fetching that icon from that server. Now we are using this box icon, so I am pasting the script for our box icon. So I am pasting right before this closing body tag like this. And now I am going to search for icon that I want to use in my web project. And now I am back to our box icon website, and I just need to go back so we can add icons from here. So as usual, just search your icon in this search bar like Facebook, and we have these different kind of Facebook icons. Choose whatever you like and then click on it. Now we just need to copy this box icon element, and after that just paste that element into your website like this, and you can see that we have our Facebook icon in our web page. And this is how we can use box icons. And at last we have bootstrap icons. Now similar to last two websites, if we want to use bootstrap icon, first we need to go to their website, and from bootstrap menu click on this icons tab, and after that we need to check how we can install these into our website. So for this we have this install link right here. Now here you can see we have something different. Now we need to add this link tag into our website to use these icons. So first copy this link element from here and then paste that link element inside of your head element like this. Now first step is completed, which is to installing the icon into our website. Now the second step is to find our icon and put that icon into our website. Simply go to that website, and from here first we need to find our search bar, which is usually at the top. Here we have our search bar, and this time I am going to use Instagram icon. So search here for Instagram, and here we have our Instagram icon. Just click on this icon, and here we have several options. We can use SVG or we can use icon font. Now I am using this icon font. So just copy this line of code, and now I am pasting that line of code into my website like this. And here we have our Instagram icon. And that's it. This is how we can use and add icons into our website. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join this exciting web development journey with us. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can put those in the comment section below. Until next time, keep coding and creating. I will see you in the next video.